the older and older I get, the more I realize how fast time flies. I want you guys to check out this once legend in the music business.
Look at me. I'm as helpless as a kitten up a tree. And I feel like I'm clinging to a cloud I can't understand. I get misty just holding your hand.
Now, what's so crazy is that was probably over 25 years ago. This is him recently. 89 years old, still sounded as good as he did back then.
Look at me. I'm as helpless as a kitten up a tree. And I feel like I'm clinging to a cloud I can't understand. I get misty just holding your hand. Walk my way, and 1,000 violins begin to play. Or it might be the sound of your hello, that music I hear. I get misty the moment you're near. You can say that you're leading me on, but it's just what I want you to do. Don't you notice how hopelessly I'm lost? That's why I'm following you. On my own, would I wander through this wonderland alone, never knowing my right foot from my left, my hat from my glove? I'm too misty, too much in love. You can say that you're leading me on, but it's just what I want you to do.
Boy, still sounds good at 89 years old.
But I wander through this wonderland alone, never knowing my right foot from my left, my hat from my glove. I'm too misty, too much in love. Look at me.
You probably remember Johnny Mathis. Some of you younger people may not. What an amazing singer. I mean, that's just one of his many big hits. And I came across this video and I'm like, I gotta give homage to this man. I mean, he still looks good. I mean, he's almost 90 years old and he sounds amazing. And I think for me, getting ready to turn 60 years old here just shows you the brevity of life, how it seems like we're here that fast. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to pay tribute to Mr. Mathis.
Look at me. I'm as helpless as a kitten up a tree. Never knowing my right foot from my left, my hat from my glove. I'm too misty and too much in love. Walk my way, and 1,000 violins begin to play. All right, I'm done.
most of us have aging parents. Focus on the things that matter, the people that are getting close to that time in their life where it's about to be over on this side of eternity. Make the time. I still have regrets about my mom, how I didn't spend time when she had cancer. More time I wish I had have spent. So as I look at Johnny Mathis getting older, and I start to think about my own life and turning 60 years old this year, it just blows my mind. Pay attention to the loved ones in your life, because I'm telling you, here today, gone tomorrow. Love you guys. Make sure you like this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check you guys on the next one. Later.